Draganfly is pleased to announce that Vermeer will integrate its Visual Positioning System, or VPS payload, with Draganfly's Commander 3XL. Vermeer is the first AR and AI-enabled tool that allows an operator to easily manipulate robotic systems, such as drones, using intuitive gestures and visualization in the field or in a purely synthetic environment to visualize sensory data. This partnership will enable Draganfly to collaborate with Vermeer's military and government clients, like the United States Department of Defense, to create solutions using our innovative drone technology. Vermeer enhances military and government mission capabilities by supplying an intuitive and sophisticated solution for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance mission planning. Vermeer's platform is being integrated with the DoD to enable customers to pre-visualize drone missions in a virtual space and eliminate friction while working with robotic systems. Our team designed and manufactured the Commander 3XL drone to ensure it was compatible with various interchangeable payloads, and now it will be integrated with Vermeer's Visual Positioning System. This modular UAV platform is a seamless solution that keeps pilots flying, even in the most difficult and remote areas, during critical missions to determine their location in contested, spoofed, and GPS-denied environments. This system compares the video feed from the VPS payload with the pre-mapped 3D terrain stored locally for unparalleled navigation capabilities. Integrating Vermeer's VPS technology with the Commander 3XL will help improve military and defense intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. And we are thrilled to partner with Vermeer to create solutions that help defense agencies protect life, mitigate risk, and reduce liability.